Hi everyone, this is the second video about Pollicity, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a form to the bottom of your poll page that will collect subscribers. So I'm here at the same setup page where I did pretty much everything, added the questions and all of that good stuff. And what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and add the autoresponder code. And that is going to appear after the poll is taken. So basically the person will choose their answer for the poll, and then they will be presented with a results page, and also they'll be given an option to sign up for whatever it is that you want them to sign up for. Okay, so in our example, what I'm going to be offering them, and I use Aweber, what I'm going to be offering them is some practice tips for their child. So I've gone ahead and I've created the form in Aweber. And of course, if you use something different, then you're going to go through the process for your autoresponder, and you'll know how to do that better than I will. So I'm just going to show you the steps once you get the code generated. So you're taking the raw HTML code and you're copying it, you're highlighting it and copying it. And then on the Pollicity setup page, you're going to paste it into this box where it says autoresponder code. Okay, and then you're going to update the poll. All right, so what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead and we're going to fill this out, and let's say I want my child to be able to play at church. So I'm going to click on submit, and here is my box. Now mind you, I don't care for that box, but it does the trick for these purposes, and you'll notice that I was able to match it up with the piano theme. So if I were to put in my email address, then that's going to add me to that. Then I get the default Aweber confirmation screen. If I go into my Aweber account, then when I click on that list, I should see that I have a new subscriber, and there I am. Okay, and I actually don't even have access to this email address anymore, so I won't be able to confirm. But that is how you use the autoresponder. Now, of course, you can make it pretty and make it look a lot better. This was a quick down and dirty, and that is how that part works. Now, there's one other thing that is really cool about Pollicity, and that is that you can easily select the demographics to use with the poll. So what I mean is that you can add any kind of demographics and that will show up on the poll page. So let's click on my demographics. I'm opening it up in a new tab. And right now it has age, education, education level, location. All right. So I could create a new demographic if I wanted to. Okay, but I'm just going to go back to what the current ones are, and I'm going to choose location and perhaps age. All right, so let's do that. Age and location. I'm going to update the poll. All right, so now when I go to open up this, this is what my page is going to look like. So I can fill out the poll question, but then I can also add in my age. Okay, so I could say prefer not to say, and then I could say Where's your location? Okay, I don't mind telling you that I'm in North America, and I want my child to be prepared for college. I'll hit submit. All right, so I think I probably made a little bit of an error there. So let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and, well, it was updated. So let's try it again. And all right, so this is some code. Let me see what it says. Okay, so I'm going to be touching base with Ken because it seems like there's just a little bit of an issue when using certain demographic criteria. So I'm going to stick to the one that I know by testing works, which is the location. So here is the poll again. I'm going to say I want my child to be prepared for college, and I'm going to say I'm located in North America. Hit submit. So it gives me the results. It also gives me that message, and it allows me to opt in for the practice tips. All right, so that is how you can use the autoresponder function. All right, so the one other thing that I'd like to show you is, typically when you share something on social media, it will generate, if you have a featured image, it will generate that featured image. So I'm going to pick one of these kind of randomly. Let's pick this one, and I'm going to hit update. And what this is going to do is, when I copy this, and I'm going to log into Facebook really fast. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy. I'm here on my Facebook profile, and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to copy that link. And Facebook is lagging terribly. All right, so see, it's going to generate the graphic that I chose. While it's doing that, I'll go ahead and just make it for me since it's a test. Okay, so here is the graphic. All right, and so it generates a nice little graphic that will be eye-catching, and then I can post it. Okay, so here you can see that it is showing up on Facebook with that same graphic that I chose. So that's a nice feature. It makes it eye-catching. All right, so I believe that's pretty much everything that I wanted to show you on Pollicity. So if you have any questions, let me know. And this is on launch pricing effective November the 17th, 2020, for just a few days. All right, take care, and I'll see you in another video.